Welcome to High Chaparral, a premier adult RV and mobile home community in Casa Grande, Arizona, where comfort, connection, and fun come together every day. Here, you'll find spacious full hookup RV sites, well-maintained park models, and a resort designed for easy living. Enjoy a heated pool and spa, brand new laundry facilities, a fully stocked library, a woodworking shop, and a clubhouse that brings the community together. But what truly sets High Chaparral apart is the lifestyle. From live bands and casino nights to pickleball, shuffleboard, craft workshops, planned outings, and chef-led cookouts, our full calendar of events keeps every day engaging and social. At High Chaparral, neighbors become friends, friends become family, and there's always something to look forward to. This isn't just a place to stay, it's a place to belong. Book your stay or learn more at www.highchaparralrv.com or call 520-466-5076. This isn't just where you park your RV, it's where life slows down, friendships grow, and every day feels like a getaway. High Chaparral, where Arizona feels like home.